Yeah. I wrote a little song about you, you should listen. And I know that you be playing me like I'm the villain. Just give me about a minute for the time I've given. And I see you stressing over there, you kept it hidden. And I know that we've been going through a lot of things. I'm about to speak the truth, I hope it doesn't sting. I apologize for all the things I didn't bring, but I'ma talk about it on the song, so let it sing. See, it started off when I was young and cheated on. I let it get to my head and let it keep beating on. I started trusting nobody and now I leave them gone. I kept on pushing the ones away that I needed done. Ain't it crazy the way you're making me feel a baby? Let me put you on my arm so you can feel the safety. And I've been thinking about a baby lately, one day maybe. But I really wrote the song cause I've been thinking daily. Yeah. I'm trapped and I'm burning, my stomach turning. After everything I've been through, going through it, never learning. I'm still searching for the happiness I'll never get. I won't forget that I said I'd protect you till another day I see my dad's damn. Having lack of conversation, my inspiration obliterated. I haven't made it, anticipated, then I'm faded, eliminated the people that discriminated me for myself. And I swear I'll be so irritated. Maybe I'm focused on being hopeless. I'm overdosing and dosing. Look at the walls and they're closing. I'm falling but barely holding on. Never made it to college, don't have the knowledge. Probably working 9 to 5 for the rest of my life, just being honest. Really didn't wanna live. Always thinking about my life and all the stupid stuff I did. They told me keep on going, it gets better, you can never quit. But you would never understand my life unless you live in it. Like a note on alcohol, got a lot of feelings.
I got sky like the weatherman, I crack cars, getting hella bands, I got a bra from the motherland, I got shooters, we in Taliban, I get it, anyway, roll up skirt like a hurricane, I crack cars, cook every day, I get money, every day,